Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. If you're new, welcome. My name is Beth. It's nice to create things with you. Today I want to share a little item I made for my dollhouse. I've made a couple of quilts and I moved into rug making this week. And I made a little Persian rug with some leftover yarn. I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's get started. Here's my little project bag. I had these little balls of yarn that are tapestry yarn or tapestry yarn size. I think the pink might be a baby yarn. And I had a piece of canvas here that's size 12 that worked great. And my little rug here turned out to be 3.5 by 5 inches. So I started with a piece of canvas that was just a little bit bigger than that, and I worked across with rows of color using the continental stitch, sort of like a cross stitch, just coming out one square and going diagonally to the next square for this diagonal type stitch. It's a needlepoint stitch, and this was a real easy project to work on, no thinking at all. It was easier for me to put that pattern in of dots before I went through with the background color. So instead of counting as I put the background color in, I put these dots in the pattern. I just copied the pattern for each row, and that was a little bit easier to do on the go. Here's one of the yarns that I was using. It's a wool yarn that looks to be an older little tiny skein of yarn that was in my stash. After I was done with the needlepoint, I cut away a 1/2 inch away from the edge of my project, and then I folded in the sides back to the back of the rug after folding that corner in. You may notice that the first edge I did with that pink yarn is done differently. I was trying a couple of different methods, but I found that the method I'm showing you right now worked the best, just folding that edge over and using the yarn along the fold. With the edge folded back, I was able to again sort of do a diagonal stitch from one square to the next square with my canvas folded back, and that helped hold the canvas back. But after I did all of this stitching on the sides and adding the fringe, which I'm going to show you in a minute, I pressed this little rug. I sprayed it with water and did a little pressing with a not a hot iron, just a warm iron to block the rug. And here's the fringe I'm adding. Again, I pushed the canvas back. I went in one hole. Actually, when it's folded back, you're actually going through two holes. Then I came up through that other hole, and I will wrap these two ends into that loop and pull, and that will be my fringe. This fringe on the edge is super long. It was just easier to work with those longer strands of yarn. And when I was all done, I measured a 1/2 inch away from the end of my rug, and I cut it off at 1/2 inch. This beautiful little rug is going to live in my dollhouse. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I love green, I love pink. I just used some colors that I really enjoy. So I'm gonna have fun filling this little dollhouse with some handmade items, and I wanted to share my newest creation. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.